Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can print lithopanes. There are more websites for printing lithopanes, for example lithophane makers or litho or 3dp.rocks. My favorite website is 3dp.rocks, so I will use this website .rocks. We need to click tools, then image to lithophane converter. Of course, before starting we need to choose photo which one we would like to print. So I have already prepared one of favorite photos of my daughter, so we need to download this photo. But when you choose photo, I recommend you that try to choose with the simple backside. It's really better for printing. So we need to download. Already we can see the model is prepared, and here you can see different type of models. Today I will print outer cover. Once you have chosen the model, click the refresh button, and as you see here already we have prepared a model. By using right button or left button on the mouse, you can move the picture and you can see size of picture. Then you can use the scroll wheel on the mouse for zoom in or zoom out. Once you have prepared a model, go to the settings, model settings, and here the important information for printing. So maximum size, it's up to you, it's just size of the photo. You can print 80% or 100% or 60%, but important settings are thickness, border, thinness layer, and the pixel. So for this photo I tried different sizes, but best settings for this photo are like thickness 2 millimeters, border 2 millimeters, thickness layers 1 millimeter, and pixel 5 millimeter. But maybe you will have different type of photos, so you need to try, and you need to change these sizes as you wish, and then you need to again go to the model and refresh, and again check if the photo here, if the model looks good or not. Then again we need to check image settings, but here the importance in positive or negative image. I recommend a positive image. Really it looks good for most of photos, so negative could be a problem with some photos. So I recommend to use positive image. So once you have prepared a model, then just need to download, and here we go. We need to find a STL. As you see here already I have downloaded the model. So we go to the Ultimaker Cura. So here you can see the model, but for this model like outer cover, I recommend to have support on the downside. It will help you to print better, and I will show you later. I will add support here like heart, and on the heart will be name of my daughter, so it will help me to print better. So once you have prepared, you can change size of print. So but I think you already know about that if you tried already printing, so you will know using the Cura. So once you prepared, the model. Just click the slice button, and here we go. Already we have prepared G code for printing. So I will show you the result of printing, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe to follow us.